everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and welcome to 2021's first ever Monday member moment. And I'm so excited because it's also a challenge for you non-members as well. So first off, this is a shout out video for all my amazing members, both for YouTube membership and for Patreon. I'm going to be listing them over here. You're going to see them throughout the video. I just want to thank you so much. Those who are YouTube members of different tiers help support the channel. Those who are Patreon members, that money goes right into our savings for our adoption fund. And thank you so much. We are in year 3.5, going into year 4 of waiting for our adoption. That's a different video, a different story. If you want to check it out, feel free to search in the playlist. All right, so let's get to it. What I did this year is I took a portion of what I received through my membership and I want to pay it forward. And I'm going to challenge you guys to pay it forward as well. So if you want to leave a comment down below on this video of how you paid it forward using my example as a base, then I am going to, in February's Monday member moment, pull a winner. Even if you're not a member, you can win something as well. So let's get started. I'm going to reach down here and grab what I got. Okay, so what I decided to do is, on the street corners, we have a lot of people who are just in need, and they always have those cardboard signs, and they're asking, anything helps. My daughter ended up taking change out of my husband's little cup holder and giving it to somebody on the corner at a stoplight, and I just thought, you know, here in Michigan, it's so cold, and we have a lot of opportunities for those in need, the homeless and different things like that, to get resources. But we also need as a community to love and to support and not just turn the other cheek and look the other way. So what I did is I took some of the money from the membership pool that you guys have been giving me, and I created little care packages. I went and I purchased, and so this is my care package. I did 4 for men and 3 for women, and the reason 3 is they only had 3 of the hats, and so eventually I'll be adding more to it. So in the care package, the person is going to get a set of masks. They're going to get a toothbrush hold, like the little holder, and toothpaste. They're going to get a hat. This is a woman's hat. The men's bag has a red hat. They're going to get texting gloves. They're going to get a matching scarf. They're going to get these little cleansing wipes because we all like to feel fresh and clean. They're going to get a thing of tissues, and they're going to get a thing of chapstick, and then I need to go to the actual grocery store, and I'm going to get a bottle of water and one of the pop tab soups, because I don't know if they have access to a can opener. And I just thought, you know, I would pat on the corner if I see them. This is something we can hand out the window. They can give it to a friend or they can have it for themselves. And that's what I plan on doing every single month, finding some way to pay it forward, whether it's purchasing some kids' books to donate to a local shelter, whether it's making these care packages, whether it's buying art supplies for a school, who knows? It depends on what the need is that month. And so I just want to thank you. Not only are you supporting me, but you are, I am working to pay it forward. So my challenge to you, even if you're not a member, is there a way you can pay it forward? Maybe you're at a drive-through and you pay for the person behind you their drink. Maybe you're at a store and you see somebody who's $1 short and you give them $1. Maybe your neighbor, you just make a meal and take it to your neighbor. whatever you feel that you want to pay it forward. In the crafting community, maybe you knit or crochet a scarf and give it. Maybe you do a diamond painting and you take it to a nursing home for some beautiful decor. Who knows? You guys are so creative, and it's just a way that we open our eyes to what's around us and give back. So, number one, Monday member moment. Once a month, I will be doing a spin wheel to see who wins a prize of membership. And number two, this is my challenge for you. In the comment down below, what was your pay it forward for this month? And you have until next time I do a Monday member moment in February, which could be any Monday in February, depending on my schedule. I don't really, give you guys a heads up. But comment on this video, and then during that video I will be pulling another prize, and you guys will get something fun. Okay, so I am going to turn this camera around. We're gonna pick the winner. Now remember, I have not put on here who is what tier, but if the person who wins is an insider, they're gonna get, because it's blinging in the new year for this month, they are going to get their choice of one color sparkler or one color AB. If they're a VIP, they'll get their choice of 2 sparklers or 2 ABs. If they are an elite member, they will get 3 choices of an AB or a sparkler from DP with Sparklers. I love Tima, and please go check her out as well, dpwithsparklers.com. So I'm not going to say who's in what tier. I keep your privacy. All support is important to me, just knowing you're there. Even if you're not a member and you subscribe or you come to my lives, that just helps my heart feel so good that we're communicating and that we're together on this journey. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to spin the wheel. I've combined both my patrons and my YouTube members under one wheel, and let's get this done. Okay, love you all. See you in a sec. Okay, and we're back. So these are the names as of Monday, January, what is this, 18th? I put all the names in here, and we're going to spin the wheel, and the winner is going to get their choice from DP with Sparklers. Here we go. So the winner is Terry C. Terry C. I'm going to look up and see what level you are, but if you could contact me at dpaddictionadventures@gmail.com, I'll help you get to pick out your prize. So remember, pay it forward, comment down below, and if you want to become a member before the February one, I'd love to see you. The links are down below if you want to check it out. So I love you all. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.